I had no idea that making whole fish fry was so easy. At first, clean the fish. Make 2 to 3 diagonal cuts on each side of the fish. This helps the spices penetrate and ensures even cooking. Marinate the fish. In a bowl, mix together salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder,
ginger garlic paste,
and lemon juice. Mix well to form a thick paste. Apply the spice paste generously to both sides of the fish, including inside the cuts. Make sure the fish is well coated. Apply the spice mix inside the fish also. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors infuse. Take some semolina and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and a pinch of turmeric powder to it. Mix thoroughly. Tap the marinated fish and coat well. Flip and coat the other side as well. This will make your fish fry crispy outside. Allow to rest for 10 minutes. This will set the semolina coating. In a deep frying pan or skillet, heat enough cooking oil for shallow frying. Gently place the marinated fish into the hot oil. Fry the fish on one side for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns golden brown and crispy. Carefully flip it over and fry the other side for another 5 to 7 minutes until it's evenly cooked and crispy. Flip again and cook in low flame for 5 minutes. Once the fish is cooked and has a nice golden color, remove it from the oil and place it on paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve the whole fish hot with some lemon wedges and your favorite dipping sauce or chutney. Enjoy your delicious homemade whole fish fry. If you enjoyed the recipe, click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.